Striking Injustice, the case of Lynn Swartz and the call for legal integrity. The South African legal community witnessed a critical case concerning the integrity and ethical obligations of legal practitioners in South African Legal Practice Council v. Swartz, 15857-2023. The case pivoted around attorney Lynn Swartz, who was accused of misconduct after failing to timely issue summons in a delictual claim, leading to its prescription. The consequential actions taken by Ms. Swartz involved self-funded settlements and deception, sparking a debate on the appropriate sanctions for such violations and questioning the thresholds for striking off an attorney from the role. At the heart of the allegations was the claim involving inappropriate conduct by South African Police Services, SAPS, members during a raid at Ms. LD's residence. Despite Ms. Swartz's attempt to rectify her failure by compensating the client from personal funds, it was her dishonesty in concealing the claim's prescription that brought her integrity into question by the South African Legal Practice Council, LPC. Following internal disciplinary proceedings that resulted in a hefty fine and recommendations for suspension, the LPC found these measures inadequate given the severity of the misconduct. The LPC sought a court order for Ms. Swartz's dismissal from practice, highlighting a broader call for maintaining public trust and ethical standards within the profession. Judgment delivered by Lekwilini J. emphasized the delicate balance between penalizing misconduct and acknowledging attempts at rectification. The court resolved that Ms. Swartz's actions, though dishonest, were not entirely driven by malicious intent, but rather by a misguided attempt to prevent client grievance. The court opined that while her actions warranted suspension, they did not necessitate a complete dismissal from practice. The decision to suspend Ms. Swartz for 3 years, subject to conditions rather than striking her off the roll, underscores the court's approach to consider the context and the individual's history before imposing the ultimate legal career-ending penalty. This verdict sends a poignant message to legal practitioners about the imperatives of ethical conduct and the severe repercussions of deviation from these standards. The LPC's robust stance on ethics fortifies the legal framework, ensuring practitioners not only adhere to the highest standards in their conduct, but also foster transparency and integrity. This case serves as a critical reminder to the legal community and public about the continuous scrutiny legal practitioners face regarding ethics and professionalism, safeguarding public interest and trust. Thank you for choosing Satori News.